truss is used to hold up a heavy sign on a building as shown. The truss is attached to the building alongside AB, which measures 2.4 meters. Determine an exact expression for the side length CD. So let's highlight important information. It's asking for this side length CD right here. It's length CD is what we're looking for. And it's also looking for an exact expression. And an exact expression means that there will be no decimals. No decimals is for an exact expression. We're going to start first. And what we're going to do is we know that this length CD is equal to this full length BC right here. Sorry, BD. It's BD minus this shorter side, BC. So we're going to break it up into two triangles. The first triangle is going to be triangle ADB is the first triangle. I'm going to move that here so that you can see this triangle. And let's label it. We're going to label the 90 degrees. We're going to label the 2.4 meters here. We're going to label this angle to be pi by 4. We do know that pi by 4 is the same as 45 degrees, which is a special angle. And this 45 degrees, the special case, we know that it is an isosceles triangle because that is 45 degrees. So this means these two sides are equivalent. 2.4 meters is the same thing on this side, which is side length BD. And this is what I'm going to be putting in here for the length BD, 2.4 meters. I still don't know what CD is. So the next step is to calculate BC. So to calculate BC, I'm going to take the smaller triangle here and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to bring that down here and I will label the information 90 degrees, 2.4 meters, and this one is pi by 3. With this 90-degree triangle, we know that this side is the opposite. This side is the adjacent. Let's label the side, the vertices A, B, and C. We know that the tangent, which is opposite over adjacent, is 2.4 over side length BC. The value of the tangent of pi by 3, which is a special angle, the value is root 3, equals 2.4 over BC. We can now switch these two, BC and root 3. That's from grade 10 trigonometry that you can remember. In the denominator, you're going to divide. But recall that you cannot have an irrational number in the denominator. So you have to rationalize the denominator. When you rationalize the denominator, you will have 2.4 root 3 divided by 3. These two, I can actually do the division, and I get a value of 0.8 root 3. That is BC. And this BC, this value, I'm going to put in right here. That goes in for BC. So I'm going to put in minus 0.8 root 3 meters. So moving along, we have CD equals 2.4 minus 0.8 root 3. What I am going to do is you cannot subtract 2.4 and 0.8 because one is irrational, the other one is rational. I can factor out 0.8 and I'm left with 3 minus root 3. And I can convert 0.8 to be 8/10, but reducing that to lowest terms gives me 4/5. So 4/5, 3 minus root 3. And that is our final answer. We are finished this question. That's it. The exact value. I forgot to put it in the meters.
That was easy.